Tony's Tractor Adventure.
Here's the John Deere's new 2025R, big brother of the 1025R. Uses the same deck with some modifications for sure. The deck lifting mechanism is really beefed up. So just the next size tractor up, but it still uses the same backhoe. Still uses the same loader, just a little bit higher tractor, a little bit bigger tires. Sets up a little higher, a little more ground clearance, so you could do a little bit more utility work. Here's the right side of the 2025R, and you can see that it uses the same backhoe as the 1025R. Alright, I'm going to show you here. This is a 2025R, and then in the background you can see the 1025R and see the smaller stance of the 1025.